Alright, Mr. Vinod, ready to go to one cosmetic factory? Alright, let's Mercedes hit the road. Hi, I'm James.
Hey, hi Vinod.
This is Mr. Vinod, and today we're gonna visit one Chinese cosmetic factory. We're gonna check the workshops, production line, warehouse, raw material, half raw material, and machines, etc. So, Mr. Vinod, before you make an order, you need to check all of these, right?
Yeah, of course. At least we need to know where is the company, how is the logistics maintained, and what is the raw material being used, and how it's been packed.
So, Mr. Vinod is my customer, also my brother's, and Mr. Vinod is big YouTuber. This is his YouTube channel. It takes a lot of videos about what's happening in China. It's kind of interesting. So subscribe if you want. More importantly, Mr. Vinod also likes taking video and adding video, uploading to the YouTube. As customer, I'm kind of satisfying my customer, if you know what I mean. All right, so it's time to hit the road. Let's go right now. Alright, we arrived at Pujian city. Actually, it's just a county next to Yiwu. Yiwu is a county too because Yiwu is a very important free trade zone. The administration level for Yiwu is city, not county. Pujian is just a county. Alright, we turn a little right.
These all are factories?
Yeah, this is industrialized city, county. Government like factory, you know why? They resolve the employee problem.
Yeah, of course. It's good for society even.
Yeah. All right, we are entering the industrial park. There are many factories in this industrial park, which government want all the factories stay in this industrial area. So you can see those buildings for workers, for the workshops, for the factories, all there. We need to drive to the end of it. The last building is our destination. Mr. Vinod, the factory is there. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 7 to 8 floor. Now this is the container. Go to factory to load the products. Those factories usually have more than 6 floors. Each floor has around 1,500 square meters. So each floor represents one factory. If you're a factory owner, you want to rent one whole floor for yourself.
So all these buildings are government or any?
No, private. You have to buy it. If you want to open a factory, you need to buy it. So the local government will sell to you. All right, we arrived at the cosmetic factory and we're going to check below aspects. First, workshops. Second, production line. Third, raw material room. Fourth, the warehouse where Mr. Vinod's products will be organized there before shipping. So we're going to check it out. You got to follow. So this is the sample room. Before you make order, you need to make the sample to confirm whether the quality is good or not. Actually, this is happening in this room.
So after that is done, then they will go for.
After it's done, you will confirm the order, right? Then the supplier will start buying material after accepting, receiving your deposit, 30%. Then they will buy the raw material, which you already saw. After we finish sample, the sample will be here. Yeah, those samples we are going to DHL to our other customers other than you. So they're going to confirm this order after they check whether the sample is good or not.
So after that, they will place order, right?
Yeah, after that, they will place order to the supplier. Actually to us, then we place order to them. All right, this is how they make sample, the procedure. You can see the whole procedure. This is the material for sample, right? This is the small machine, mini machine. The sample, they will use this one. Yeah, this is how we make the finished sample. All right, Mr. Vinod, this is raw material workshop. We have many workshops. This is one of them. We will start from the raw material. How do you feel about this raw material storage? And give me feedback.
It smells like some kind of a lipstick smell is coming.
Yes, material for eyeshadow palette, pressed powder, and lip gloss. Those 3 products. This supplier has been producing those 3 products.
The storage room is okay, quite good, and I hope you are maintaining a good quality of products, right?
Yeah, this is the first step. When the supplier purchases raw material, they will put in this room first.
Oh, okay.
Now we go to the production line workshop. Let's go then. First, please. This is the induction workshop.
All these are empty products, right?
Yeah. They will put those raw material injection. Those are the raw material. And then inject in the small bottle like that.
This is lip gloss, right?
Yeah, this is lip gloss. We also do OEM order, which means we can put your name on the bottle. You see, you can put the name. If you have your own brand or logo, you can put it here.
This is Revlon.
Yeah.
That's Revlon, right?
Yes.
Quite good.
Yeah, it is good. Our supplier always maintain high quality.
So this will be very it's not coming down.
This is the material they designed for. This material will not easily get out. So this is one piece. Okay, they will put it in dozen in the gift box first. All right, next one we go to another production line. How you can see the eyeshadow palette and the pressed powder being made. Okay, so this way please. All right, this is a half raw material storage, and you see there, that's the qualified area. That is unqualified area, and this is the pending area. When supplier purchase raw material, they need to double checking again because they're not 100% all good in raw material. The supplier need to select. That's why after they select, most of them are good, they will put in here. So those are actually the half raw material, half material. The color is already made. Okay, different colors. You see that? Different liquid form. This is a little harder. Yeah, this is another color.
Oh, this one is how
yeah. So after they made this in those area, in this area, then they will be processing the next step.
It's 50% raw material, right?
It's a half raw material.
So it's already done.
It's already done before put them to the production machine, to the production line, to the workers. The workers cannot take raw material. They also needed to put a color in the raw material. As you can see, there are many colors, right? Yeah, and also they need to clean it. You know, the raw material is not 100% clean. There is cleaning machine to first clean the raw material. Then the second step is to finish the half raw material. Mr. Vinod, the half raw material actually is ready for the production. The raw material needs to made into the second to the half raw material. Only that we can keep producing.
That should be the right way for the cosmetic.
Yes. Also, this way you can check in here.
It's quite hard. It's looking as
yeah, some of them are hard, some of them are liquid. But before even those put a liquid, it will be hard. Otherwise, how you can transport?
So you will make this raw material here?
No, the raw material actually finished in another room by machine. After finish, then they will put it all in this room. Why? Because we will go through that door to direction production line, the machine. It's easier.
Can we see this also? How it is made?
Let's keep walking. All right, Mr. Vino, the next we go to that through that small door. Then we go to the production line. You can see the workers, the machines, those things. So let's hit the road. All right, Mr. Vino, now we are in the mixing color storage.
Just can you tell me how this colors have been mixed?
Okay, you know, in one eyeshadow palette, there's not only one color. Basically, they're same material, but we need to mix the different colors.
Yes.
It will look colorful, right? The customer like the colorful eyeshadow. That's how we do. Before we made a colorful, we need to match the colors. We need to decide how many colors need to mix. You see one eyeshadow, there are 16 colors, 32 colors. This is the right place where those colors are mixed before they start package.
Okay. Are these all chemicals eco-friendly?
Yes, of course, because it's to the human skin.
Yeah.
We have to do that. It's kind of like a mandatory. Otherwise, customer will not buy from us.
Do not give any reaction to the people, right? Who apply for
Yeah, there is no bad reaction to the people after the supplier test. The supplier will test those material before they start production. When they start building the workshop like this, the government, local government inspection department also will come here to check, make sure this is all clean, all health, all eco-friendly. So actually those are the colors. We have pink, red. Most of them are the shiny colors that the girls like.
You can see how it's shining.
Yeah, this is for the girls, for the female. That's why we need to make colorful and shiny like that.
Okay.
So this is the machine.
So here they are mixing them now?
Yeah, this is the auto mixing machine. They will mix colors like that. You know, the two colors you cannot equally match. Sometimes you need to mix this 20% red. The other one should be 80% pink. We mix like that. It's not all equally made. This is the color grading machine. This is the lip gloss, right? The color, the shape all made from this machine.
Now the final product.
This is the final. After we pack them very well, which you will see later in the package room, then supplier complete whole process. Okay, Mr. Vino, now let's go to the eyeshadow palette and the pressed powder workshop. This way. Before the staffs and the workers go inside the workshop, they need to change their clothes. See here?
Oh.
So this is the locker room. This is the standard procedure. All right, let's go please this way. And this is the eyeshadow and the pressed powder workshop. Before the material put into that room, supplier need to weigh those material accurately.
Oh.
Before we enter the pressed powder and eyeshadow workshop, we need to wear those. It's a mandatory requirement. Otherwise, you cannot go inside without a permission. Now we need to put this uniform before Mr. Vinod enter eyeshadow and pressed powder workshop.
James, can you show us the raw material for the eyeshadow and press the powder?
Yeah, sure, no problem. We will go next room. Before we enter the eyeshadow and pressed powder production workshop, there's a raw material room we should go through to check all these material for eyeshadow palette and pressed powder.
Okay.
Yeah, that's then we can go inside.
Can we go?
Yeah, can we go, please? You can check the raw material for eyeshadow and pressed powder. Yeah, this is different color, different material.
They're very shiny items, right?
Yeah, because it's for female. You see those the real powder. You can touch a little bit, I think. How do you feel?
Quite good.
Huh?
Quite good.
Smooth, right? Yeah. So this cosmetic supplier is our old supplier. They produce very good.
Okay, James.
Okay, go through that one. So this is how they make pressed powder and eyeshadow. This is the template, the model. This is the bigger model. You see each small one is for different color. Each different color, all same color. You see how they make. Those are the different color actually. If you want to put a red, pink, anyone else, yeah, you just put like this and then you can adjust the color that you like. This is customized. The factory only do OEM order. What is OEM? Is customized order. Customer always put their brand name on their product. This is the pressed, small pressed powder. This is the pressed powder. Yeah, it's a big one, not a small space like that. That is eyeshadow. This is the pressed powder, which you already bought it last time, remember? It's just different color. So this is another type of eyeshadow. It's eco-friendly material. After they put the material into eyeshadow palette model like you see in that room, then all the goods will be put here. So those are the finished products, almost 90% finished. Now we just need to put them in a carton box where we are gonna see in the next room. So this is the last production line, the package room. They will finish all the packaging here, then the supplier will be done with it. So you can check this production line. Yeah, we do OEM. You know, customer put the name on the product, we do OEM, that's what we do. Yeah, those are the production line you will see there. Yeah, they will clean by this way. Yeah, this is another brand which authorized by customer. Yeah. Some famous brand we need authorization letter from customer, then we are able to produce. Otherwise we can't produce. It's a copy brand, that's we call it. Those are the color, different material in the production line. Actually, there are many workers in this workshop, actually. They need to make sure there's no dust on the product because it's for the skin, right? We cannot use that bad quality. Different colors. But basically for eyeshadow, material is same. Just the percentage is different. Like this design of eyeshadow is 20% this material, 80% that material. Maybe another type. We call it a fragment is different, percentage is different. But their raw material basically is same. That production line, go through here to check again. This is double checking. This worker will check again. Everything is good. There's no dust. There's no any pollutes, no disqualified quality. So he will check again. This is supplier's own quality control in their production line. When they finish those products, they will let us know, right? We will go visit them again. We will check those finished products with our own quality control method. Make sure everything's okay before we ship. So that's how it works. So this is the package room, the last step. They will pack like this.
So this will be totally secure, right?
Yeah, we use the high quality cotton boxes. We tell our suppliers to use that cotton box. You see many procedures. First the paper, the raw material, the model, the eyeshadow palette, then the cotton box.
This will be safe, right?
Yeah, it will be safe.
No.
No. It's fixed almost. We don't throw around like that.
Yeah, of course.
Just for precaution. Even you do, it will not be off. So how do you feel about this quality?
Quite good.
Yeah, that's what high quality we also give to you after you make orders.
So if I order 4,000 pieces, how many days it will take?
Usually take 3 weeks.
3 weeks, fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that okay for you?
Yeah, no problem. So if I order 4,000 pieces, how many days it will take?
Usually take 3 weeks.
3 weeks, fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that okay for you?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, Mr. Vinod and I already finished all the visiting. The workshops includes the warehouse, the packaging room, the production line, the raw material room. So this is how we take customers to our supplier to check everything about our supplier to make sure that the order will be safe and in high quality.
Okay, it was nice seeing the factory. Quite impressive. The quality of maintenance is quite good, and the hygiene levels are very high, and the neatness of the factory is very awesome. I was totally shocked the way the company was being maintained. Okay, and
So you feel good about this factory,
yeah,
right?
Of course.
Okay, so you can make good decision
Yeah.
whether to make order or not,
Yeah.
how many quantity or not.
Yeah.
This supplier also accept the try order, which is smaller quantity is also not a problem. So it's quite a tour. Alright, this is pretty much about this video. If you like our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you could get the latest notification once we release new videos about our one-stop sourcing service. So I'm very glad to have Vinod in this video, and let's ask Vinod's few questions. So you feel about this is good, this factory, the supplier?
Yeah, of course. As I told already, the quality of maintenance is quite good and impressive, and the packing material and the ambience of the factory is quite good and very hygiene maintained. And I'm very happy with the factory visit. What I have done, and will for sure I will make an order to the company as soon as possible.
Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.